Hello students, I am back with an informative session of partnership final account with problem number 7. Let's start with the question. Satish and Pramod are partners, prepare trading account and profit and loss account for 31st March 2019. You have to find out gross profit and net profit only. That means in question it is specified that we don't need to prepare a balance sheet. Now let's see how we are going to solve it. We will not discuss each and every item. You can pause the video and see where you have to do the posting. Moving to the adjustments directly, the closing stock is valued at 15,400. This will be recorded in trading account and uh, balance sheet asset side. Then outstanding wages rupees 500 are given. So I have made a mark here. We will add in the current wages, plus it will be recorded in liability side of balance sheet. Create provision for bad debt rupees 800 and maintain RDD 3% on sundry debtors. See, I have put two marks. One is for bad debts, second is for RDD. Okay. So two effects will be in debtors, another two will be in P&L account. So we will see if we have any bad debts. So there are no previous bad debts, we will make a new point. Okay, if there are bad debts in trial balance, then we would add this 800 on the in the given bad debts. Next, goods of rupees 1,800 distributed as free sample. Now we have distributed goods as free sample. How we will give effect? First, we will write it in the credit side of trading account. It is okay if you minus it from purchases also. Second effect, it will be given in P&L account because it is a kind of advertisement, right? Free sample distribute क्यों करते हैं? हमारे product का advertisement करने के लिए. So 1,800 will be our expense. It will be recorded in P&L debit side. Goods of rupees 200 were sold and delivered on 31st March 2019, but no entry is passed in the books of accounts. Okay, so what we will do? First effect, we will add it in sales because this is a sales which is not been recorded. So now we will record it. We will add this 2000 in current sales. Second effect, we will give in debtors. Okay, in debtors we have to add this. Now see, for preparing RDD, you have to make all the adjustments in the debtors first. While solving the question, we will solve point number 5 first and point number 3 later. Okay, so keeping this in mind, we will start solving the question. We will solve the question in the same sequence. That means we are going to prepare trading and profit and loss account. We will prepare balance sheet also, but it will not be tallied. Okay, हम बनाएंगे तो सही, क्योंकि हमें सेकेंड इफेक्ट दोनों सभी चीज का देना है, तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं हो. एग्जाम में अगर इस तरह का क्वेश्चन अभी तक तो नहीं आया है, लेकिन अगर आगे ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन आता है, तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर बैलेंस शीट इन working note. Okay, and if you are able to prepare P&L without balance sheet, then well and good, you can do that also. So here we will prepare trading and P&L account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Let's start with the posting. I hope you people don't have a problem in posting at least. See, opening stock 8,700. Then we have purchases. Then we have wages. There are dots on them. For every dot I have left a line. Then insurance I have, it will be written in P&L account. Unproductive wages, P&L account. About unproductive wages, we have already discussed in previous videos, so I am not explaining it again. Warehouse rent, 600. Warehouse rent is paid for the products which are being produced, right? So any expense after production will be recorded in P&L account. For production, till the product is completed, any expense is there, then it will be recorded in trading account. Once the production is completed, then goods are kept in warehouse, then this will be a indirect expense. It will be considered as part of sales expenses. Next, carriage outward. So carriage outward 1200. If there would be carriage inward, then it would be recorded in trading account. Outward means related to sales. We have sales return, we will record it in trading account. Okay, if you feel the video is going really fast, you can pause the video and see the postings. Okay, then next is export duty, customs duty. All these points we have already discussed in our previous videos. If you have not seen those videos, please first watch those videos, then come to this video. Factory rent we will record it in trading account because there cannot be any factory without a setup. So it is a direct expense. Then postage and telegram, it is an indirect expense. We will record it in P&L account. Sales 68,000, we will not net the amount because here we have to make one more adjustment. Next, by dividend, see 2,000 we have dividend, we have recorded it in P&L. As it is a credit balance, it will be our income, therefore it is recorded in credit side. Next, we have purchase return. So purchase return we have recorded here. After purchase return, other receipts are there. So other receipts will be recorded in P&L account 1,000 rupees. So this way we have completed our trading account. Let's see balance sheet. So in balance sheet asset side, we have sundry debtors. We will record sundry debtors and leave 4 lines for this because there are 3 adjustments. We generally will leave one extra line for totaling in between. Then next we have investments. It will be written in asset side again. And moving to the credit side, we have creditors. So we will leave space for capital and write creditors. Then I have bank loan. So bank loan with effect from 1/7/2018, which means there is some internal adjustment here. So we will record it in gross column and I have put a dot here also. Okay. Now see, though we have prepared this balance sheet, but keep in mind that it will not get tallied. Why? Because we are not given with the full information. See, we don't have any information about capital in the question. So obviously we cannot close the balance sheet here, but we will prepare only P&L account. This is for the sake of dual effects in our account. First adjustment is the closing stock is 15,400. So let's record it in trading credit side 15,400. Second effect will be given in balance sheet asset side 14,500. Next, outstanding wages 500 will be added to the wages 500 rupees. So 1,500 is the amount. Second effect will be given in balance sheet liability side because we have to pay it off. Next, create provision for bad debt rupees 800 and maintain RDD 3% on sundry debtors. Now before this we have to make adjustment number 5. I hope you will remember this while solving the question, that any adjustment related to debtors should be done first and RDD should be prepared at the end of the adjustments. Okay. Now let's see point number 5 we will solve first. Goods of rupees 2,000 were sold and delivered on 31st March 2019, but no entry is passed in the books of accounts. Okay, no problem. So first we will record it in our accounts. 2,000 new sales. We have to add it in the debtors. Okay. Next effect will be given in adding to the sales. So our total sales is 69,400. Now we can create bad debts and okay, there is a correction in this question also. Here question is given as create provision for bad debts. You cut the word provision. This is not a provision. These are bad debts. RDD and provision for bad debts are the same things. Okay, so cut provision here. Let's record bad debts now. So bad debts will be recorded here as is. So net debtors after recording bad debt is 41,200. And now we will create RDD on this 41,200. Okay, so 3% of 41,200 is 1236 and net debtors is 39,964. Now let's record this new bad debt and RDD in P&L. So I have recorded new bad debt 800, RDD 1236. Next, last point we have goods of rupees 1,800 distributed as free sample. Now we have distributed these goods as free sample. Therefore, this will be our advertisement expense. Okay, and we will remove it from trading account. See, whenever we add any goods, we write it in debit side. Whenever we have to remove goods from trading, we will write it in credit side. So here we are not preparing these goods for sale, so we will remove these goods from trading, and for removing we will write it in credit side as buy goods distributed as free sample. You can also minus it from purchase. See, it is having a same effect. Either you minus it here or you if you write it in credit side na, देन ऑल्सो फाइनली जब आप दोनों का टोटल करके और जीपी निकालते हो तो देखो ये वाली साइड से ये वाली साइड माइनस ही होती है, तो 1800 जो है वो परचेस में से माइनस होगा. तो मैंने आपको इनिशियल वीडियोस में जो माइनस करने के लिए बताया था, या तो आप उस मेथड से सॉल्व करें या फिर क्रेडिट साइड में. जनरली हमारी बुक्स में क्रेडिट साइड में लिखने के लिए दिया गया है, इसलिए मैंने आप लोगों को दोनों मेथड एक्सप्लेन किया है. Second effect will be given in P&L account to advertisement expense 1,800 rupees. Okay, so we are done with the adjustments here, but we have a hidden adjustment in our question and we have to solve this. We have taken bank loan of 10% from 1/7/2018 with effect from means we have taken this loan on 1/7/2018, so interest will be charged from 1/7/2018. Okay, so if we calculate how many months are there, see 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 2 3 9 months are there, so we will calculate interest for 9 months. Calculation will be as follows: 8,000 divided by 12 multiplied by 9. So the amount we will have 600 rupees as outstanding interest on bank loan because we have not paid it yet. Okay. Now let's record it in balance sheet liability side. We will add it in the loan itself. So net amount of loan is 8,600. So our all adjustments are completed and now finally we have to calculate the profit. Let's start the calculation. So our total of credit side is 86,600. You have to make a total of debit side and net profit is 56,200. Gross profit is 56,200. Now let's carry this gross profit to P&L account. 56,200, and we will again make a total of credit side which is 59,200. Now we will add all these amount and calculate net profit which is 48,964. Now you don't need to do anything in the balance sheet because in question it is told that we don't need to prepare balance sheet. It will be a part of our working note, not the original one. Okay, so here our question is completed. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Sharing is caring. Thank you so much.